Hey, boys and girls, this is Miss Kathy and Miss Amy back for math. We're going to talk about something new this week. We're going to be doing some story problems. Story problems are when you have a story and they're wanting you to work something out and find an answer. So we'll be doing some story problems that's with subtraction. Subtraction is when you have a bigger number and you take away a smaller number and it gives you another smaller number. And then another story problem, we're going to be trying to do addition. That's when we put two smaller numbers together to get a bigger number. And then when we get our answer to the story problem for subtraction, our answer is the difference between that two numbers. And the answer for the addition will be the sum. Okay, you ready to try some?
Get this last word up. There we go.
So, Miss Amy, do you have a story problem for us today?
I think I can think of one. Say I went to the store and I bought 3 candy bars. And that didn't make my tummy full. So then I went back and got 2 more candy bars, okay? So if I did that, I would have 3 candy bars. I'm going to just pretend like this is 3 candy bars. And then I decided I was going to go get 2 more. So I have my 2 more. Then what would that equal? So if I count all my candy bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I would know 3 plus 2 equals 5. So I would have 5 candy bars total.
Oh, so Miss Amy, that is a addition problem, right? Because it was 2 smaller numbers and our sum or our answer came up to be a big number.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you think of us one for subtraction?
Well, I bet if I went and got the candy bars, then I would probably eat them. So what I would do there is if I had the 5 total candy bars, and I'd eaten a big lunch that day, so I'm only going to eat 1 candy bar. That's all I feel like eating today. So I'm going to take 1 away. All right, so if I have my 5 candy bars, and I take 1 away, I could either exit out, I could erase it. If I was counting on my fingers, I could hold a finger down. So if I had 5 candy bars, and I took 1 away, that would equal 1, 2, 3, 4 candy bars.
So, Miss Amy, that means, this little sign right here is a minus or a subtraction sign.
Mm-hmm.
So that means I'm going to have something that left or that was taken away. And I know it's subtraction because I started out with the greater or the bigger number. And I took a smaller number away. And my difference wound up being a smaller number. You ready to try one with us? Yeah, let's try one. I'm going to tell Miss Amy a story, and we're going to let her represent it with using some manipulatives. Now, you could draw it if you didn't have something to count, or you could use your fingers like Miss Amy said. So, let's see. Miss Amy, let's see if they can guess which one this is.
Okay.
Miss Kathy has 2 grandbabies, and she's getting another one. How many grandbabies would she have in all?
Well, I think if I'm going to practice this, I have the 2 grandbabies, and you're getting 1 more, so that would be adding together. So that's addition, that's sum. So it would be 2 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. That's an addition story problem.
Oh, Miss Amy, I heard you say something. You said addition and you count them all. Is that the secret to addition?
I think so, yes. You put everything together. It's always putting things together, adding, putting it all together. You don't want to take anything away. You're putting it together.
So I have to make my groups represent each number and count them all, and that winds up being my sum. Now, we've talked about this a little bit when we did +1 and -1. This is called an equation. So we're also representing our story with the numerals too when we do this, so that we can see what it would look like in an equation. I hope you've enjoyed it. We look forward to doing more with you tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Bye.